Hi friends, Simit here from informedtrades.com. I just want to do a quick recap of the silver charts that I've been looking at and trading off of over the past few weeks. Wanted to share my thoughts. Basically, right now what you're seeing is a weekly chart of silver. We do see the trend line intact. It's been touched 1, 2, 3, 4 times, still intact. We also are coming off the previous week's candle was an inside bar. To clarify, that means that this candle's high was lower than the previous candle's high, and this candle's low is higher than the previous candle's low. So basically, when a candle is entirely within the range of the preceding candle, it can be regarded as an inside bar, which is often a sign of a big breakout in one direction or another is imminent. Here we do see the trend line also is still intact, still holding up. On the daily chart, we also see another trend line forming. Well, let me, not so much, oh, where am I going here? Okay, here's a clearer trend line. We can see this has been touched 1, 2, 3 times. If this trend line was used sort of as the benchmark of an entry point, we could have gotten in several days ago here. That would be June 5th. That would signal our possible re-entry point, and that a trend line has reestablished itself. The last time we sort of had a tentative trend line on the daily chart was way back here. So this is in March 16th. We bounced off. We had 2 bounces off this. So we had coming down here 1, then in mid-March 2 and 3 bounces off this. Then we went really parabolic all the way up here, and this trend line was touched again on May 2nd, but then it broke. So if we got out on the break of this trend line here, May 3rd, could have gotten out around 39. And now if we're entering on the resumption of a trend line, we could get in back around here, which would be around 36. So that's about a 10% gain, and or what I really like about it is that it's safe. You're always trading with the trend, and I think it's a good way of not going against the price or of dealing with the potential drawdown while still making sure you get a long-term piece of the trend, just using trend lines as a simple way to determine entry and exit points. Just wanted to share my take on the subject. As always, if you have questions, want to share your opinion, watch many more videos or learn with us, join us over at informedtrades.com. Thanks and best of luck in your trading.